Okay, number 11 says to evaluate and show all your steps. Alright, so this is dealing with order of operations, and when we do order of operations, we remember, for this we're going to use BEDMAS, but I'm just writing the exponent in the lowercase right now because we're not dealing with that. BEDMAS, we're going to do all the work in brackets first, and then going from left to right, we're going to solve if division or multiplication come first. We'll solve those, and then addition and subtraction will be last. So we have brackets here, 3/4 minus 16. I can do that. Remember, you have to show all your steps. So I'm going to solve this side of the equation, and actually this side, I can do both brackets first. So as long as I'm doing that. This one I have to get a common denominator here. So I know 4 goes into 16. If I go 4 times 4, that equals 16. So that's a common denominator. So I have to go 3 times 4. So we end up with our new question is 12 over 4 minus 6 over 16 divided by, this is in brackets, and I'm going to work on this one too, just for time's sake. 3 2/3, I have to convert to an improper fraction, so I'm going to 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11, so we have 11/3 times 3/4. And I'm just showing all my work. So now, oops, sorry, I made a mistake. This is 12 over 16. See? As long as you show your work, you can see your mistakes. So 12 minus 6 is, what is that? 6 over 16 divided by 11 times 3 is, oh, wait a minute. Look at this. Before I do that, I can simplify this. I can go, well, 3 and 3 go into each other. So this is 1. So 11 times 1 and 3 times 4. So our answer is 11 over 4. So now, with division, I remember KFC. Keep, flip, and change. So before I go any further, there's a common number that goes into both 4 and 6, and that's 2. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And the reason I do that is because then I'm not dealing with such large numbers when I multiply in the end. So this will now become 3, and this will be 2. So 11 over 2 and 3 over 16. So now I'll keep 3/16, flip 11 over 2 to 2 over 11, and change the sign. So now we have 3 times 2 is 6, and 16 times 11 is 176. Well, okay, now I gotta go for my divisibility rules. Let's see, 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 6 is 14, so it's not divisible by 3, but I know this is divisible by 2. I should have thought of that earlier. So if I divide both the top and the bottom by 2, I'm simplifying this, so this becomes 3, and 176, half of 176 is, what is that, 88? You got it, 3 over 88 is the answer. And that's how you do question 11, using order of operations and showing all your work.